Welcome back to the deep dive. This is where we really get into the sources you ask us about, distilling them down for you. And today, wow, we've got a really interesting one requested by you, our listener. We're diving into the world of Linux. Specifically, we're looking at this book. It's called Linux Like a Boss, Rule Your System, Reclaim Your Power. The author is Claudia Reid, and just that title. Rule your system, reclaim your power. It definitely signals something specific, doesn't it, about how you interact with computers. So our mission really is to kind of unpack what's behind that powerful title based on what Reid presents. Okay, let's get into it.
What's fascinating here is how that title really feels like a statement of intent, and when she says ruling your system or reclaiming power, it feels like she's talking about more than just like surface level control. It suggests a deeper thing, right? Moving away from just clicking icons, and becoming someone who actually actively shapes their digital space. It's about agency, which a lot of modern systems kind of hide away from you.
Exactly. Yeah, pulling back the curtain on the the black box. And Reid, it seems she jumps right into one of the key tools for this, the command line, which, let's be honest, is where a lot of people might feel a bit intimidated, right?
Right. But the way she frames it is different. It's not presented as this scary, complex thing, but more like a direct conversation with your computer.
A direct line.
Yeah, and she uses examples like utility commands to show this. Take grep. Instead of searching through menus, endlessly, a command like grep, our error, in your log directory. Boom. You get exactly the information you need instantly.
Precise control.
Precise control. No layers getting in the way or filtering what you see.
No.
That's a very real way to rule your system.
It really drives home that idea of fundamental building blocks. Once you get those, a lot more becomes possible. And speaking of foundations, another thing she highlights is understanding the Linux file system structure.
Ah, yeah, the hierarchy.
Right, not just like where your documents folder is, but the purpose behind directories like etc. or s or local.
And that ties straight back to reclaiming power, doesn't it? Because understanding that structure, well, it is the structure of everything on the system.
Makes sense.
So when Reid explains etc. is for configuration files, she's basically handing you the keys. You can directly change how things work.
No more hunting around.
Exactly. You edit a file there, and you've directly controlled your system's behavior way beyond what a typical settings menu might let you do. You're seeing the gears, not just the pretty interface.
That's a really powerful idea. It becomes about making deliberate, informed choices.
Yeah.
And once you understand those structures, she then moves into personalization and automation.
It's not just about knowing how it works, but making it work for you.
Tailoring it.
Precisely. How do you really make it yours?
Well.
She gets into dot files.
Those hidden configuration files.
Yep. In your home directory. Customizing your command prompt. Making shortcut aliases for commands you use all the time. Or even writing little scripts to automate boring tasks.
Okay, so that's going even further.
It really is. Because that's not just convenient. It's about shaping your environment so it fits how you think, how you work. That feels like the ultimate expression of reclaiming power. You're not just using the tool, you're actively molding it.
So wrapping up our look at Claudia Reid's Linux Like a Boss, rule your system, reclaim your power, it's pretty clear it's offering a roadmap, more than just commands. It's about grasping these core ideas, the command line, the file system, personalization that genuinely put you, the user, in the driver's seat. It's like an invitation to relate to your tech differently.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, that reclaim your power part, it really hits home today, doesn't it? It speaks volumes about user agency in the digital world. Reid's approach, it seems, is all about giving you the knowledge, not just to use technology, but to really understand it, configure it, maybe even reshape it a little. It's promoting a kind of digital literacy, a mindset of control that honestly goes way beyond just Linux. It applies to all the tools we use.
So what does this all mean for you listening right now? Claudia Reid's book, just by its title, pushes us to think. What does it really mean to be the boss of your tech? Are you